So for this recipe, I'm using several other recipes that I've already uploaded, and they'll be linked in the description box below. I'm starting by making my basic crepe recipe, which is about 2 cups of spelt flour with 1 cup of sparkling spring water. You want it loose like this. And then you're going to go ahead and spray your pan and go ahead and thinly spread out your mixture. I didn't add any agave. You don't want to add that for this recipe, only if you're doing like a breakfast or a sweet recipe for the crepes. For this one, I just used a little bit of sea salt and a little bit of onion powder. That's optional. And I just want you to see the texture and consistency that you need your tortillas basically to look like. As far as the filling, I won't be showing you how I make the filling. The filling is just basically whatever you want it to be. I used some mushrooms, onions, bell peppers, a little cilantro, and just made a basic recipe with a little bit of tomato sauce. So after about 30 seconds, you want to go ahead and remove the lid, flip it over, and then you want to put the lid on again for about another 15 seconds or so. But you don't want to overcook this because you want your tortillas to be nice and soft so that they'll be easy to roll. And so I'm putting mine into a tortilla warmer. This is what it basically looks like, and it's ready at this point. You want to put it into a tortilla warmer, and that'll just keep it, nice and soft until you're ready to work with it. And you want it to be pliable like this so that it can easily be folded without breaking. Then go ahead and add in your filling. I did also add in some alkaline cheddar cheese, and again there's a link in the description box on how to make that. You just want to roll it over and stack it into your baking pan. And I just cut like 1 in half to make it fit. That's the alkaline nacho cheese that I used. And then you want to go ahead and top that with some tomato sauce. I just used my marinara sauce, and again I'll have a link in the description box for that recipe. And then I topped it with my alkaline mozzarella cheese. I just melted that down and poured that on top and spread it out. Then you want to bake that on 350 for about 20 to 30 minutes. I topped it with a little bit of fresh cilantro and some onions, and it was delicious. And so there you have it.